Welcome to our duct cleaning process. We begin by pulling into the driveway of our valued customer. Our state-of-the-art equipment includes a powerful 9,000 CFM vacuum system that will remove even the toughest of dirt and debris from your ducts. Our friendly and experienced technicians will greet you with a smile and explain the process to you. We take extra care to protect your home by rolling out protective runners to keep your floors clean and corner guards to protect your walls and furniture. Our technicians will move furniture as needed to access the supply registers and wall grills. We use a specialized film to seal off all grills to ensure that no dust or debris gets into your home during the cleaning process. We will cut access holes into your ductwork to connect the vacuum hose to the main trunks. We drill small 1-inch holes into your ductwork to insert air lines for the cleaning process. We bring in a large vacuum hose to connect to the main trunks of your duct system. We also bring in specialized airline hoses to blow out the supply and return grills. Our technicians will use the airline hoses to blow out the supply and return grills to remove all dust and debris. We then run the air hoses down the main trunk lines to ensure a thorough cleaning. Our technicians will also check the humidifier pad to ensure that it is clean and functioning properly. We will check and replace the filter if needed to improve the air quality in your home. We take pride in our work and will do a thorough cleanup, including pulling off protective film and rolling up runners. We always take the time to chat with our customers to make sure they are satisfied with our work. We are committed to providing the highest quality service and will happily wave goodbye to you as we leave. Thank you for choosing Affordable Comfort for your duct cleaning needs. We look forward to serving you again in the future.